Good day. In this video, we will demonstrate our project named Fibonacci Sequence Simulator, written in assembly code. This project was created by me, Cedric Para, K. Krishna Alores, and Jess Aral Pizarro. This program calculates the Fibonacci sequence up to a user's specified terms. So let's get started with the demonstration. As you can see in our shared screen, we opened our terminal or our command prompt. First, we will first compile our assembly program. Here's the code that we will use are the following: nasam -f win32 and the ASM file, which is named as fp.asm. This command uses the nasam assembler to compile our assembly file, which is fp.asm, into an object file, it will become an fp.obj. The -f win32 option specifies that we are compiling the win32 platform. The next command is the gcc-o and the executable file named as fp and the object file, which is fp.obj. Here we uses the GNU compiler collection, short term as GCC, to link the object file, which is the fp.obj, and produce an executable file named as fp. The -o-fp option specifies the output file name. Now, to run the program, we will just type the executable file name, which is the fp, to start the program. Now, given in the program, we can see the welcoming message, which is welcome to the Fibonacci program. And here we will see several options, which is 1 for print the Fibonacci sequence, 2 to sum all of the Fibonacci numbers, check if a number is in the Fibonacci sequence, print the nth of the Fibonacci number, and 0 for exit. Now, first we will input the number 1, which is printing Fibonacci sequence. After entering, it will ask for a number of terms, which is from 1 to 99. We will try to put the number 12. After entering the number 12, the Fibonacci sequence of the 12 Fibonacci sequence will be displayed from 1 to 12, which is 0, 1, 1, up to the 89, which is the 12th Fibonacci number, and then it will loop again to the menu, which is the welcome options. Now we will check the error handling of the number 1. First, we will try to enter the letter G or a letter. After entering, it will display an error message, which is an invalid option. Please choose a valid option from the menu, and it will loop again to the menu section. Next is we will try to input the 5, which is not in the option. Again, it will say an invalid option, which is the error message. Now, What if we try? What if we try? Um, what if we try the number 1 again? We'll enter. Then we will try the letter there. So we can try the letter G again. Here, the error message will pop up and says input must be a number between 1 to 99. Please enter again a valid input, and it will loop again to the menu section. What if we try more than 99? So we can enter number 1, and we will try 122. And there you can see the error message, which is input must be number between 1 to 99 again. Please enter again a valid option, and it will loop again into the menu section. Next is the number 2 entry, which will be discussed by Miss Jezreel Pizarro.
So for the option 2 from the menu, which is the sum of the Fibonacci numbers, I will now enter number 2 from the menu, and it will prompt the user to enter the number of terms, which is range to 1 to 99. I will enter 12, and after entering the number of terms, the program will now calculate and display the sum of the Fibonacci numbers, which is, as you can see from earlier, the sequence is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and 89. And the sum of this is 232. The next is, I will enter again for number 2, which is the sum of the Fibonacci numbers, and it will ask again for number of terms, which is, I will enter 101, which is out of range, and it will display an error message that input must be number and between 1 to 99. Please enter again a valid number. Because this program only accepts a number that between 1 to 99. And it will loop again to the menu. And let's try again for number 2. I will enter K, and it will display an error message again for error handling. It display inputs must be number and between 1 to 99. Please enter again a valid input. And after this, it will loop again to the menu. And for the number 3, which is the check if a number is in the Fibonacci sequence, I will enter 3. And for this option, users can input a number, and the program will check whether that number appears in the Fibonacci sequence. So let's try. I will enter 12, and it will first check if the number is in the Fibonacci sequence. And I enter 12, and the result is no. The number is not in the Fibonacci sequence. I will try again the option 3, and I will enter 13. And it will check if the number is in the Fibonacci sequence. And the result is yes, the number is in the Fibonacci sequence. Because as you can see in the sequence, the 13 is part of the Fibonacci sequence. or the number is part of the Fibonacci sequence. So that's all. For the option 4, we will have Miss Pizarro to explain.
And next, in the option 4, we need to enter the choice 4. And we need to enter the number of terms is 12. And the Fibonacci number is 144. It's 144 because base of 0. And next, we need to back to the menu and we need to enter the number of 4. And enter the number of term of 122. As we can see, we have an error message. Input must be number of between 1 to 99. Please enter again a valid input. And we need to try again enter the choice of 4 and enter the number of terms of J. It's the same of the 1. We have an error message that input must be number and between 1 to 99. Please enter again a valid input. And we need to input again an enter of 0. As we can see, we have a program display message, a thank you user by the program termination by the program stop running and release resources during execution. The program stop during and execute. That's all.